Hi guys, for today's video I'm going to cook the main ingredients is golden bihon. This is made from the Philippines. It's made of cornstarch. So all the ingredients is here. I have the meat here, everything is here. So let's start now in my small kitchen. Let's start cooking in my small kitchen. So we have all the ingredients here. I have the meat in here, which is 1 kilo meat, and the Asian leaf is called cabbage leaf. And then onions, garlic, 1 onion, spring onion, carrots, and the golden bihon is made from cornstarch, made from the Philippines. Now I'm done slicing the onions and the garlic. So this one is the leaf. It's called Chinese leaf, but this is called this Asian cabbage. It looks like this. It looks like cabbage. It's a cabbage, but it's not sweet cabbage. So just slices like this, like that, a small portion. Now I'm done, guys. So it's look like this. This is more healthy. This is it's called Chinese leaf, but this is Asian cabbage. It's all around. It's not only Chinese leaf. So I need to soak this one into the water, normal water, because this one is look like this. Soak this one for around 2 minutes. Then just like that. So just only one. So leave that one like that. So 2 to 5 minutes it becomes soft. Now guys, it's a little bit soft now. Very soft now. I already turned around this one. So now guys, look at this, really soft now. Very soft, the bihon. So now guys, look at, as you can see, it's made from cornstarch. So I need to add a little bit of oil, little bit. Now let's add the meat, like that. Yeah, like that. We need to make it brown. So now the meat is just a little bit cooked now. So now the oil is come out. So let's cook it more. Now let's check. So now the meat is ready. So let's add a little bit of water. So let's take out look how much oil is here. Take this oil. This is loads of oil. Then I put a little bit. I put the water. Oh, look see how many oil in the loads of oil. So oily. Look, this is the oil comes from the meat. Let's add water. You know why I put the water, guys? So that the meat will become soft. I need to cover it. Everyone has different style of cooking. So I need to leave this one around 30 minutes to make the meat very soft. I don't like hard meat. Now let's check if the meat is soft. So I think this is really soft now. Look at, it's more soft. Look at the meat, guys. It's really soft. That's why 30 minutes. So now we need the onions, the garlic, and then like that. And then my seasoning mix is called magic syrup granules. And then the garlic powder. Look at. And then the carrots. So just mix like that. And then the soy sauce, Dato Puti soy sauce from Philippines. Like that, a little bit. And then mix it. And then the pepper, I almost forget, my god, I forget. Much better I have the small one. I almost forget the red pepper. And then this one, the leaves. It is called Chinese leaf, but it's not normally. It's a Chinese, only Chinese. This is also. Now I mix everything. So this is how it looks like, the Chinese leaf. This is very nice vegetable. It's not sweet. Now let's add this one, the bihon. I think I will not add all together this one. It's too. So it's enough, guys. I add everything. So it just look like this. So it looks like this. Now it's already mixed everything. Look at. Now this is the last part. So this one, like that. Spread all over. Now let's taste, guys. If everything is fine, let's taste it. My cooking, if it's nice taste or not. So let's taste it. Try it. Look at. Now it's here. Look at the meat. It's really soft. It's too hot. Perfect. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you click like and subscribe. Thank you so much. More cooking soon.